Hi guys, Orion Tech here. Today I'm going to show you a brief tutorial about how to transfer your iTunes media from an old computer, old PC, to a new one. I believe there are other ways of doing this. For example, syncing your iTunes device, your Apple device, or through iCloud. But I prefer not using those methods. This is just a straightforward way. You don't need to worry about syncing your device. You don't need to have an internet connection to do this. And it's very simple. You just need to follow the steps closely. And this is what I have done, actually what I'll be doing for my new computer. So I thought I'd make a tutorial for it. So the first step you need to do is open up iTunes. And here you can see that I only have two files. I didn't actually intend to open these through iTunes. I just downloaded them when I got the computer for other reasons, and they just showed up here. So they're going to be deleted when I do this process, so I'm just showing you that my iTunes library on the new computer is empty right now. So with iTunes open, you want to go into the top left here, select File, and then in the drop down you're going to go into Library, and then you're going to press Organize Library. So now this box, you want to check it. It says put copies of all media files used by iTunes in the iTunes media folder, and leaves the original files in their current locations. This is what you want to do so you have a backup in case there's a problem transferring, or there's a problem with your storage device that you're going to use. By the way, to do this you're going to need a flash drive, probably with large storage, or a external backup drive, which is the preferred method if you have a large large collection of iTunes media. So consolidated files is basically going to make a copy of everything used by iTunes that can be synced to your phone or whatever device, and then it's going to put that into a folder which you can transfer to your new computer while still keeping all those files on your old computer. So what you're going to do is press consolidate files. If you have a large iTunes collection, it'll take a while. If you don't, it'll be very quick. For example, if I do it here, it should be very short. Yeah, it didn't even take a second. I only had these two files. So with that done, you would go into File Explorer. You can also get that from going into the Start menu, and you could probably get it from there. I haven't actually done it from here yet. You could probably search it, this computer. Let's see. I don't want to take time doing this, so just see if I can get to it from here. Yeah, so if you type in my computer, you'll get to this PC, and that's exactly where you want to go. But Windows 10, you should have it down here as File Explorer. So go ahead and open that. If you are running Windows 10, if you go down here to this PC, you should have these 6 folders set up here with music in them. Now if you're on an older version of Windows, you may not have these, so I'll show you how you would get to that iTunes media folder that you're going to use to transfer. You see here that I have my backup drive connected. I won't be transferring it because I've already just transferred it over, but here's what you would do. And you can see the file, the external backup is right here. So you're going to go into your C drive, double click, left click, going to go into users, your name for your account, and then music folder. And then you're going to take this iTunes folder, and you can either drag and drop, because that makes a copy, or you can right click, copy, and then paste it onto your backup drive. But I prefer just the method of drag and drop, and that's what you would do. You would drag and drop it there, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have 2 on that backup. So once that's done, let's say you've closed that and you're back at your new computer, your desktop. What you want to do is open up your File Explorer again after you've transferred your backup drive. Then you're going to go into your backup drive. You're going to select the iTunes folder, and you're going to drag it onto your desktop. Now you see that I have it right here, the iTunes folder. I'm not going to do it again. It takes a few minutes because I have a large folder, 19 gigabytes, so I'm not going to do that right now. But you just select the file, drag and drop to your desktop. Very simple. So you have it here. This is now the old iTunes media library on my new computer. And what I'm going to do is again go back into File Explorer. And then I'm going to go into this PC again. Again, I have the shortcut here. Just go into Music. And what you want to do is under this is now for the new computer. You can select this iTunes library, iTunes folder here. As you can see, it's a small file, 616 kilobytes. I'm going to delete that. Okay, it won't work because iTunes is open at the moment. So again, here I have my two files, nothing else on there. I'm going to close iTunes, select this folder, delete the folder, take what I have on my desktop, which is the transferred files, and drag them into here. Now I'm going to close this and open up iTunes, and it should be good to go. There you go, updating iTunes library. I haven't actually done this step myself yet, so this is new to me. And yeah, it looks like it's all done. So I have everything on here. Let's see, how many, does it show the file number? No, it doesn't. But yeah, and then it should also include your apps. So I'm not going to go in there, but movies, TV shows, apps, all of these were included when you consolidate your files. And that's it. So you're done. That's how you transfer your files from your old PC to a new PC. Very simple method, which I just used, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if the video was helpful, and I'll be making more tutorials on this channel, and probably more content by request. So if you have any tutorials or any questions about Windows 10, any things you want explained, I'll look into that and try to make a video to cover that. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.